I'm just gonna start the stream. I'm just gonna talk first. So hello, good morning, good night, or good afternoon. Here I am just gonna, basically show how I make games, and with that, and what else? I will show you guys how to code and Godot and stuff like that. And I will, hopefully, I will tell all about my thought process and all about the I guess the how do I say this um, yeah, just all the thought process and like how this is thing gonna work before I just even like play it, I guess. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. And so yeah, probably let's see, where should we start? Okay, so in here, before we start, I'm gonna tell you guys about what am I gonna do today. So today I am going to basically fix my dialogue bugs. So in here, I need to remake the option button for our character or for our player, because right now the what is it called? Oh yeah, the option for our character is not that good because it's not working. So I just need to fix that a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, I guess we're just gonna start now. I don't know. Uh, I guess, yeah, let's just start now. So, yep, and here we have our screen. You guys can see. I'm just going to first we're just gonna go to the test mode. So here's our the test mode. So in here we only have NPC enemy just for testing, debugging tests, stuff like that. I'm sorry, the dogs, background noise, goddamn. Anyways, let's see what we have here. Basically, if I play this, I already make a. No, I didn't make it because I'm trying to remake it and like make it as a better stuff. Hold on. So yeah, so we have here a button. Yeah, that can you press it? No, it cannot be pressed. Okay, so there's a button, but you cannot press it because the button cannot be like what is it called? Can't be like modified when it's like, how do I say this? When it's like in a pairing mode, I guess, or like playing mode, it cannot be modified. Why, you ask? Because I don't know. Ask Godot. Yeah. So instead of that, I'm just gonna see. Yeah. Okay. So in here, wait. What am I gonna need to do is, hold on. Before I do something more further, I'll check over here. Oh, wait, come on, edit this. Hold up, doing something. Oh, I cannot edit that. Never mind. Okay. So in here we are going to just modify the button as like, so there's a button. The node will be like, there's a button here, button. Hold up. So there's gonna be the parent node, the button, and then the text. Probably I'm gonna switch the button to the very front of it, because if we have text in front of it, it will actually block our mouse or was our screen from pressing the button. So basically I'm gonna switch the button to the bottom and then put the text on the middle. Yeah, and then we're gonna put the button as a flat image, so there's gonna be nothing in front of it. Yeah, if it's my bad if my audio is kind of bad, like, because probably I'm gonna use some filter. Hold up, add some gain. I just need to like, yeah, gain just like that. Yes. Test. Is that good? Is that good? Test. Okay, that's good. Okay, let me just, yeah. Okay, that's very good actually. This is actually my, what is it called? This is my second time making this kind of stream like that. Okay, okay. Now it sounds good. I'm gonna turn the music a bit louder, a bit, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Let's get back to our. Uh, let's go back to Godot. Screen capture and then Godot. Okay. Wait, it's not updating. I just noticed it. Oh, it's broken. Oh, there's something wrong with this. Okay, now you can see it. Okay, so this is currently our screen, as you can see, and now I'm just going to show you the button node. So if you go to scene and then go to UI, bam, bop, bam, and then go to NPC and not NPC box. Wait, NPC box? I think that's not a correct thing. Oh, yeah, it's an NPC bot for registering the. I guess just the. Oh shoot! Why is it small now? Wait, it's small. What the hell? Okay, if we go to option, so there's an option button. Just gonna press that. What I'm gonna do is okay. So in here, oh no, not this one. The option view, not option. Yeah, option view. In here we have there, as you can see, there's button. Now we're just gonna change the dialog box to an option view. No, yeah, I guess that's correct. Okay, let's see if we can press like if we hover to the mouse, if we hover to the button will like kind of register it, but in here we don't have the button for it, so we're just gonna I guess making this as their child node is it good, like making. Probably I'm gonna make it as a single thing. I don't wanna attach this over here. Let me attach this. Bam, and let me attach them. I guess. Well, no, let me stop this first. Wait, what? This option view, and then I'm gonna just attach the button view. Hold up. Yeah. Okay. It's. Oop. It's not the screen is not updating. Okay, the screen is updating now. Okay, so let's attach a script to it. Basically we're just gonna attach the button option code to it. So if we're gonna see here, and then we have I'm gonna rename that because it's just not good naming, I guess, for me. Okay, so okay, what do we have here? So we have text, that's basically that. I'm gonna change this to text. Okay, and so we have that. So if we play this, it should not give us an error, or it probably would. Oh yeah, it does. So it doesn't. Okay, we are using node, and we don't have anything over here, so we're just gonna delete that. And the text is over here. We're just gonna say label. Oh, I forgot the L. What the hell? Okay, I'm just gonna test if like the let's see. Okay, so you probably cannot see anything, but I'm gonna put it on the, what is it called, put it on so you guys can see it. Oh, it's actually showing right now, the debug thingy. Okay, but I'm just gonna change it to that, and yep, bam, you guys can see it, right? So there is the button up there. Oh, my bad. Let me change it to the button. Okay, that's the button. So you guys can see it's when I hover to it, it becomes a lighter version of it. But if I remove it, it's just like gonna be dark again. So yeah, you can press it and it's changed the color. Yeah, so that's fixed. We're just gonna close this. Need to change to OBS. Need to fix that again. Ooh, the song is kinda loud. Hold up. Yo, song's kinda loud. Okay. Okay, sorry, my bad. Cause I cannot. Probably the microphone is catching the song too as well. Okay, let's see. Okay, so in here we have all the code, and now we're just gonna do is, yeah, send a text, I guess. So in here we don't have any text. We're just gonna leave it as that, and we're gonna take the button input, because we now we have that, and we can use that. So button press right here. Just gonna bam. Then I'm just gonna, okay, on option press, we're just gonna say option. So on option, on option press. So if the option is pressed, then yeah, it will just like that. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna if I shouldn't press, we're gonna basically return. We're gonna set the value of it. We're just gonna return the value, I guess. Return output that value, button value, button text, button next path. Press, and then before we do that, we're actually going to make a function called if var is picked, I guess. Picked, I don't know if that is right or wrong, but yeah, I guess it's like that. Is picked. Now we're just gonna put it over here, pick, and then we're gonna turn it to true. Why I'm making this, basically I don't want the player to like click on multiple buttons. So if this button is true, we're gonna make this as an export of variable, so you can change it whatever you want, so it would like change all the node inside of it. So basically in here, oh, there's a, okay, we need to pass this value first, value, and then return button next option. So why am I doing this? So basically my thought process is I want to make the, so if the button is pressed, I don't want to make it like autoly send it to the parent node. I want it to like test if the button is pressed. If the button is pressed and option is, wait, oh yeah, is pressed equals to false, I'm gonna put that equals to false, which means not been pressed or been picked. It will make the is picked to true, and then it will return a value of the output. So why do we doing that? Basically what we're doing is just returning the output function with the value inside of it. The value inside of it is our next what is it called, next path, yeah, like next path, yeah, the button next path. And then we're just gonna take that output and then just go to our main code on our dialog box, and then trying to get the signal, change it to a string, and then put it back to the dialog box. Okay, but I guess that is not a good type of code, because in here we already sent the output over there, as you guys can see. Hold up, let me change it so you guys can see. So over here we already return a value, but we're returning the same value as well on the output. That's not good. I guess we just gonna set not like that, but like this. So the value will be 0. If the value equals null, we're just gonna ignore it. But if the value is not equals null, that's mean there is a string inside of it, so there is a value. So we're just gonna output it like that. So it's gonna check every time there is a response. It's gonna check if there is an output, it's checked, oh, it's empty, then it will just return that again and again until we have a value inside the output. Then we're gonna run the code. So right, as you can see, and we're gonna set in here if is, we're just gonna put like this is not that one, not that one, that's it, that is not. Okay, it's picked, then we're just gonna set this to true. Why am I doing this? Basically, I don't want to make the character to like pick the same question again and again when the code is not running that fast, because like the computer, or there's an error. I don't want to do that because that is gonna become a bigger problem. So if it's already picked, then it's just gonna stop this code and just, you know. So if not picked, so return. Else we're just gonna return zero. You're just gonna return the code because we don't want to run this again and again. Because it will be the thing is, goddamn, it will crash the game eventually. So what do we? Okay, so now I'm just gonna probably open the dialog box. Bam, dialog box. So in here we have this type of thing, dialog box, and we're just gonna delete this thingy, delete that out too, and we're just gonna send our option view now. Yeah, option view. So the box with the view is a different thing. Yeah, and then we're gonna duplicate this option first, and then option two. We're gonna set that, and then we're gonna just put it down there. Now what we're gonna do is basically, I guess, test it if it's still working. So we're just gonna run this and hope there's not gonna be an error. We're just gonna see if we hover to the, yep, there's already an error. Basically it don't know the option button. Option 1, option 2. I'm just gonna say that. So we see, oh, it's not gonna show it. It's not gonna show it because there's no option for it. Yeah. I guess there is a typo, my bad. There's a lot of N. Okay, it's just gonna run, but it's not gonna show the option. I'm just checking it if it's okay. So there's not gonna be an option, but if we play on our YouTube, I don't know why did I name it like that, but it's just only for testing, I guess. Yeah, let's see if it's done. Okay, it shows, but it's not what is it called, well, how do I say this, it's not responsive to the player. So there's a problem in here, but I don't know how to fix it. If there's someone is know how to use Godot, probably you guys can just comment down below and then just like tell me what is the problem, because I generally don't understand why Godot won't like give it a, you know, I'm just gonna test it. Just gonna see if it's like working right now, because hope it's working. It is working actually, but why is not working? Like, I mean, why is it not, it's working over here but it's not working over there? You know what I mean? Like it's, is it because like we modify it? Like, that's weird. I'm doing some cough. Won't be, they don't wanna be pressed. That's a big oopsie. What is wrong? Let's see here. So in here, what about we do this? We're gonna go to dialog box and we're gonna hold on the view. Stop this. we're gonna just comment that. Let's see if it's like shows. It can be pressed. Oh, you guys cannot see it. My bad. I forgot you guys cannot see it. Sorry. So over here. So this is the problem. So in here we can press it now because I comment the ready function for it. Oh, what about we? Okay, so basically, I guess the problem is over here. Oh my god, this is. Okay, I need a shortcut to like show stuff. Okay, over here. This ready function makes the. It basically modified the button to be show the button or not show it. In here, there's a problem because why? It's it's not. I guess button these days cannot be modified because I don't know why. I don't know, like I didn't read about like button document. I just use it randomly. So what we gonna do here? We're just gonna basically hide the text. There's gonna be a, there's still going to be a button, but now the button don't have any text on it. About like wait about I guess about fixing stuff. Damn. Yeah. What about like if okay okay there's gonna be I need to think this first. Okay, if there is I'm still trying to I'm trying to that's that's sad. I need to stop the stream first. Okay, I'm gonna just stop the stream. My bad, guys, because there is a technical difficulty, and we'll see. We'll see.